Have you ever felt completely paralyzed by fear? Like your heart is racing, your mind is spinning, and you just don't know what to do next? Maybe it's fear about your future, your family, your health, or just feeling like you're not enough. I want you to know today, fear is not the final word in your story. God is. We all face fear. It's a human emotion. But fear was never meant to control your life. Maybe you're worried about how you're going to pay the bills. Or maybe you're afraid of failing, of disappointing people, or just not being strong enough. I've been there too. We all have. But here's the truth. Fear is a liar, and faith is your weapon. Think about Peter. He stepped out of the boat in the middle of a storm because Jesus called him. For a moment he walked on water. But then he looked at the wind, he saw the waves, and fear crept in. That's when he began to sink. Matthew 14:28-30. We're just like Peter sometimes. We want to trust God, but life gets scary. The waves of anxiety, the wind of doubt, they start shouting louder than our faith. But even as Peter was sinking, he cried out, "Lord, save me!" And immediately Jesus reached out and grabbed him. Matthew 14:31. Friend, God never promised that life would be free of storms, but He did promise that He would never leave you alone in them. Isaiah 41:10 says, "Fear not, for I am with you. Be not dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand." That means even when you feel weak, God is strong for you. Even when you're scared, His love is constant. He's not asking you to be fearless. He's asking you to trust Him in the middle of your fear. 2 Timothy 1:7 reminds us that God has not given us a spirit of fear, but of power and of love and of a sound mind. That's what belongs to you: power, love, and peace. Not fear, not panic, not chaos. You are stronger than you think, because the one who lives in you is greater than anything you'll ever face. So the next time fear tries to grip your heart, speak faith instead. Say, "God is with me. I will not fear. I trust Him." You don't have to have it all figured out. You just have to take the next step with Jesus. Like Peter, call out to Him. He will always reach out to you. Let this be your reminder today. You are not alone. God is in the boat with you, and He's never going to let you sink. Type Amen if you receive this and believe that fear has no hold on your life. Share this with someone who needs encouragement today.